Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Wednesday the 28th of September 2022. I'm going to focus today on the daily bar which got printed yesterday on Bitcoin. We're recording this brief as we were just breaking through that 20k barrier. So maybe it was this brief when it got published that was the turning point. I'd say more realistically it was that 50-day moving average which was looming overhead. We did warn about the 50-day moving average providing some stiff headwinds should we be able to reach there, maybe some profit taking, and it was quite a turnaround. And to be honest, it was led mainly by US equities. They were moving lower. They're moving lower again today. Apple isn't looking too healthy. I've been posting about that inside the stocks chat room. Check that out if you please. But where we at now for Bitcoin, it's looking likely we're going to see a retest of the most recent range lows. Anywhere below here you might see some stops, again moving down into that 17,600 area. That remains the key. I think a lot of markets now, indices and Bitcoin, really perilously poised above their summer lows. So this is the June low of Bitcoin. You got the SPX, which is looking to break its own. You got the Nasdaq looking to break low as well as the Dow. So it's something to be watched very closely, because if you see this level taken out, we're going to see some really aggressive selling, I would say, and it wouldn't surprise me to see a 15k print should this level go. Ethereum holding up okay, but also edging lower, as you can see. Reversal yesterday as well, edging below the 1280 area. Remember, this is the range highs, and now looking to retest, get back into that area. If we see a strong daily close below, I'd like to see a continuation move down into the 1000 area. Litecoin, where we at, 51.95. This market is pretty range bound at the moment. Yes, it's tipping lower, and yes, 50 is pretty important, but we've been finding some pretty strong support at 50 recently, so it wouldn't be a bad shout to be looking to take some relatively low risk to reward trades. Have a nice 3-to-1 ratio there with some tight stops under here. But remember, them tight stops which we're talking about is what a lot of traders will go ahead and do. So if you see a catalyst, see some extreme selling, you see a big seller come in, for example, or some news comes out which just pushes the market lower, and then stops get wiped out quicker. A lot of leverage longs in there, and you see moves exasperated very, very quickly, and you see a move much lower than the 50 where we're at now. Ripple basically fading them entire gains. We did suggest this could be likely after that rejection at 0.55, and then move back down into 0.3870, now looking likely. Obviously the round number of 40 cents maybe just at first, but I think that 0.3870 is the next target here for the sellers. That's a wrap. I'll post this brief inside the crypto chat. Until next time, all the best with your trading, and bye for now.